Today, I'll show you how to visualize the highest mean in Tableau. Whether you're working with sales figures, survey results, or any other numerical data, being able to highlight the highest average can give you meaningful insights at a glance. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to begin by dragging your measure, the numerical data you're interested in, from the data pane. You can place this data onto either the rows or columns shelf, depending on how you want to structure your visualization. The choice between rows and columns is usually dictated by the type of chart you wish to create. For instance, if you're aiming for a bar chart, you might place your measure on the rows shelf to have a vertical orientation. Once your data is in place, the next step is to change the aggregation to an average. By default, Tableau aggregates data using the sum function. However, since our goal is to focus on the mean, you'll need to adjust this. Simply right-click the green pill that represents your measure on the shelf. This action opens a context menu. Hover over the measure option and select average from the drop-down list. This will change your data aggregation to the average, which is crucial for our visualization. Now that your data is set to display averages, it's time to sort the data to easily identify the highest mean. Look for the sort descending icon in the top toolbar. This icon resembles a series of bars decreasing in size. Click on it, and Tableau will rearrange your data in descending order, placing the highest averages at the top. This quick sort method is incredibly useful for immediately drawing attention to the most significant data points. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully visualized the highest mean in Tableau. This method is an efficient way to spotlight key insights in your data, making it more accessible for decision-making or presentations. Remember, visualizations are powerful tools for storytelling. By effectively highlighting averages, you can guide your audience to understand your data's narrative with clarity and precision. As you continue to explore Tableau's capabilities, you'll find there are many ways to customize and enhance your visualizations. Experiment with different chart types, color schemes, and filters to tailor your presentation to suit your specific needs. Hopefully, this quick tutorial has equipped you with the knowledge to highlight the highest means in your data sets. Keep practicing and exploring Tableau's features to maximize your data visualization skills. Thanks for watching, and happy visualizing.